Welcome to today's Trader Destination Signal. We will just be updating all our analysis from our last episode. So this happens to be our analysis, even though I've dropped another one after this one, talking about how we are expecting, even though we have price coming down, how we still keep all our something intact. And the reason why I'm doing today's analysis is because in the midnight we tap into after waiting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We did not have any of our position being tapped. So yesterday midnight, the midnight, we have this level being tapped. So having this level being tapped, and normally our strategy demands that we find another opportunity to do what? To to enter conservatively from this same level. But from what we can see from this level here, consider it's just a tap, and we cannot really rely on this tap to be a proper mitigation of the level we are anticipating. If we eventually did have a reaction into the highs and it moved perfectly with pure imbalances, then we can be we can be thinking and start accepting the fact that okay, maybe we are reacting purely from this level. Maybe we are reacting purely from this level. But from the way it is now, we can see that we are still within this consolidation. We have this level here. This is our first level inventory we are anticipating, and we did miss the something. As price did not tap this level before coming down, as we can see, we see that there is no pure movement downward from that level. So I'm not even concerned with the way it did not tap it, because this is not the kind of reaction I'm expecting after the tap of this level. It was on 15 minutes that we have something, an internal structure from the level that the price reacts from. So having that level, reacting from that level shows that okay, price is giving us some kind of reaction, but at the same time, we cannot continue to depend on that. What is it called? We cannot fully depend on that reaction, on that type of reaction from that level. So we are anticipating this. We are anticipating this level, these two levels, and this. Even if you look at this structure very well, the way we tap into our buy with this kind of reaction, we can see that at least it gives us a very nice reaction in the market. But if you check the Asian high, you will see how price reacted from the level. So having this type of reaction and this type of something coming from this level, we cannot bank on either buying from this level. Okay, I don't think I'm not willing to do any of that. So even though we have a proper mitigation of the level, so if there is anything there, then definitely it should be this level that we can be expecting some kind of reaction from. But from what we have here, from this type of something, because the liquidity above this I was taken before we have a break of this low before coming down, then automatically this leg is threatened, so we can still be expecting price to come lower. So the reason I'm doing all this update is the fact that we might not I will not be taking out these orders here. I won't be taking them out yet, because I did not have a very nice reaction that can suggest the fact that we are going forward. And let's kind of check something out here. On 4 hour, we will see we have these are level that we are anticipating to buy from, which price has already tapped. But even though it gives us some kind of nice reaction, we still have this level here. But one thing I want us to notice is this consolidation level. This is the low of the consolidation. and this is the high of the consolidation. From what we can see from this level, we can state that we are still within the consolidation level. So if we are still within the consolidation level, then we cannot, we cannot, the only thing we can say from here to here is the liquidity below the consolidation level was taken, and the liquidity above this level also can be taken into this level. hmm, it's into this level. Then from there, okay, we have 5 minutes now. From there, the liquidity above this consolidation can also be taken, might also be taken anyway. So the liquidity above this consolidation level might also be taken, and it can give us some kind of price reaction into this low. And today is Friday, so we've got to be very, very careful. We have nothing much on daily that we want to really, really talk about. On weekly, if we check our open high low close, we will see this particular level here. So we see a massive rejection, not closing above this high. Then we have this something. Then you can see if this price close below this level, then we see that we have this internal structure. We have that internal structure, weekly internal structure that will be created. From what we have here, on monthly, what today, this is can still be expecting buy anyway. You can be anticipating buy in the market from what this level, but the liquidity above yearly high has been taken, except we are coming for yearly low now. But nonetheless, this rejection might still be giving us some kind of reaction. We are still trading within the internal structure on monthly that I talked about previously. But we can see that another internal structure might be created if our adventure price did not trade above that level on weekly. Then on daily, we have this level, this internal structure lie perfectly with the above the consolidation we are talking about. So we're going to just take that one out, and we are within this consolidation on 4 hour. So whichever happens, to me, I believe that this my buy is yet to be taken, even though we are already in the buy. But I was in the previous video, I was talking about the fact that if peradventure the price above this, I mean, this level got tapped, uh, if we are buying from this level and we see a proper mitigation of the level into the highs, then we can take out all these cells. But from what we have here, I'm not taking out the cells yet. I just want to believe it is the liquidity below this consolidation that was taken, and we can still go into the highs to take out the liquidity above this high, then into the lows. So that's my belief. So which means our order still remain intact, and this one still remain intact, even though we've tapped it, but nonetheless, it's not a proper mitigation of this level for me. So, but anything can happen in the market. Just have to believe that anything can happen in the market. We don't need to know what's going to happen next to make money. So we just have to play our probability numbers game, and expect that if price eventually move in our favor, then we'll be able to capitalize on it. Even though we are already in the buy, and if price decide to continue to go up, we are already in the buy. And if price continue to just want to take the liquidity above the below and above the something, we still remain in the something. So whichever way, we just need to win 3 out of 10 with our 1 to 3 risk reward ratio for us to have 20% gain on our capital. So I guess that will be all, at least for now. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and profitable day. God bless us all. Amen.